Here's the Legion 5 Pro laptop, and it has three power modes, a blue, a white and a red. You can use them with function and Q, and then the power button's color will change. So currently it's in the blue mode, that's the weakest and the most silent one. And in that mode, Premiere Pro is not working fluently. By the way, it's not plugged in, that's just an external hard drive and the Ethernet cable. So no power is in this laptop, it's running off the batteries. So let's just preview it, see how the video will be skipping. It's fluent, and it's not fluent, and it's barely moving, and it's not moving. Now you have a frame and so on. The sound is fluent, but the image is not fluent at all. Okay, and if I press Ctrl and Q, it will go to white. The red is not available when the laptop is not plugged in, only blue and white. So function Q, and goes to white. And now if I play it from the beginning, now the video is fluent. It's not skipping, those tiny go-karts are going there. By the way, these settings at the battery are not really affecting the performance, so if it's on the left side on battery saver, then it's also playing nicely, just as on performance mode. So it was used in this mode before, and the video is fluent, it's not skipping at all. So that's the battery saver, and of course the other one should be even better, but it's the same. The screen brightness is higher, but the video is identical. It's fluent. So this thing here on the left side with function and Q, those blue, white and red, those are making a difference. Function and Q. It's blue, it will be skipping. Function Q, it's white, it will be fluent. The speed difference is visible when exporting a video also. So currently the seconds are going down, 6, 5, 3, 2, 50, something like that. And if I press function and Q, then it will go up 40, 3, 5, 7, 50, function and Q again, and it should go down. Yes, 51, 50, 49. At the CPU we cannot see a huge difference. It's at 1.8 GHz when it's in the middle mode, which is white, which is automatic, and 1.7 in the other blue mode. So there's barely any difference megahertz wise, but there is performance difference second wise. Time is going down when it's in white mode, and the time is going up for a while when it's in blue mode.